Hi everyone, welcome back. This is my third and final Chanel 22p unboxing. I actually am going to share 3 items. 2 of them are from 22p and the third is actually from 22c, but I haven't shared it yet. So I have already unboxed these. I did not have a chance to do a true unboxing, and I don't have a lot of time to film today, so I just, these are the boxes they came in, but I have the bags already ready to go to show you so that I can make this just a quick and easy video. So the first item came in this box and is technically an SLG, and it is the 22p light pink Vanity Case with the top handle. And now this is not an item I'd ever thought I would buy, but I thought this was a good time to try it because I love this light pink so much. And if you saw my first unboxing, I did get the Business Affinity bucket bag in this color, as well as a couple of card holders. And yeah, I just think I really love this light pink. It's just the perfect light pink, and so I'm not 100% sure this style will work for me, just because the zipper I'm just not sure about. But anyway, we'll give it a try. I do like that it has the top handle. I don't think I would have bought it if it was the style without the top handle. It does have a mirror here. I don't want to, let's do it this way. So here's the chain. That's the chain, and because it is a technically an SLG, it still comes with the authenticity card. It's a 319 series, and I'm sure you've all seen the inside of these before, although I think it's slightly different now. I don't think the previous versions had a mirror like this. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, I don't own another one, so I'm not 100% sure, but it has 3 card slots here and the little lipstick holder, and then it seems like it will hold quite a bit. I have not used it yet, but yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna give it a try. The color is just so pretty, so we'll see if the style actually will work for me. So that is the first item. The second item is, it came in one of these boxes. Both of these are the same size, the boxes. So the item is the larger denim flap. This one is in black. So if you saw my last unboxing, I did get the smaller version in the blue. Actually, let me grab that just so I can show you the difference. Okay, so you can see that the black one is quite a bit larger, and yeah, I wasn't sure if I liked the black or the blue better, or which size I would like, so I thought this way I get to try both sizes and both colors. I'm not sure which one I prefer yet. I actually did use this the other day and loved it. It holds quite a bit. This one's going to obviously hold even more. But they're just so cute. I believe they're called the Denim Mood flap. So yeah, I like that this one, you can really see the print a lot better because there's obviously more surface area to see it, whereas this one's a little smaller. But yeah, I don't know, I just really like these. So I'll just quickly show you. So this one still has that detail on the top where the chain goes through. The chain is slightly shorter on this one, but it can still go crossbody on me. I'm 5'4", and you can double it up just like with the smaller one. And the inside is one big compartment except for this back zip pocket. It was made in Italy as well. So it has the aged gold hardware as well. It still has the stickers on it because I haven't used this one yet, but that's the back. It does have the back pocket. That's the bottom. Anyway, I will do a review on both of these and sort of compare it to some other more familiar styles once I've had a chance to use both of them a little bit. So that is the other 22p item. The final 22p item. And then there was one other item I wanted to show you, and this one is from 22C. I actually don't know the name of this, so if anyone knows the name of it, please let me know in the comment section below. But this is a really cute little bag that also, it looks like a little clutch, but it has a chain. And I haven't used it yet, it's still wrapped. And the sticker is still on. So a few things about this really drew me to it. I love the print on the leather, the little CCs. So it's black with a little white print, and it is shiny ruthenium hardware. Even the strap has the little CC detail. It's so cute. And not many bags these days have shiny ruthenium hardware. I love shiny ruthenium hardware. I just think it's so different. I have a couple of bags with it, but they don't, I don't know, Chanel doesn't make it that often. The leather is really soft. This is the inside, so it's just one big compartment. The bag is very malleable though. It's not super structured, so I think it'll fit quite a bit. I haven't used it yet, but it's wide enough and sort of squishy enough that I think it'll fit everything I need. And this is the back. There's no back pocket. Yeah, I just thought this was really cute and unique. I at this point in my collection, I just want to add things that are different and that sort of bring something new to the collection. So that's why I really liked the denim bags, and this one I have nothing like this. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. So that is it for my unboxings for this season. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is fashionjunkie33. Thanks again and have a great day.